So now we're gonna do deadlift points of performance and faults that I see from the side. This is where I tend to see most of the breakdown in the deadlift. So you're gonna set up just like we talked about in the front facing video. You want the bar right over your shoelaces or a couple inches away from your shin. And when you set up, you want to pull yourself down into this position. You wanna lock your lats in, pull your shoulders back. You want your shins pretty much vertical. It'll depend on your anatomy. You want your shoulders over your hips above your knees. And this is how I want you to start. Now, you also want the spine of your scapula over the bar. So if I raise my hips, look, my spine of the scapula is in front of the bar. If I get too squatty, now I'm behind the bar. So you want to make sure to lock in spine of scapula over the bar. The next thing you want to do is when you go to start your deadlift, your chest and your hips are going to rise at the same time. So we're down here, we're ready to pull. We're going to push off the ground and my hips and my chest rise at the same time. As I'm coming up, because they're rising at the same time, my knees are getting out of the way. I'm dragging the bar against my pants. And then once I'm at the top, so just right at the same time, once I'm at the top, I'm not hyperextending. I'm staying neutral. And then my first movement are my hips going backwards, like I'm shutting a car door with my butt. So hips go backwards, I slide the bar along, I hit my knees, I can start bending my knees. So in full motion, that looks like